Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and welcome to Invest Edge Academy, where we simplify complex financial concepts and help you stay ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving into one of the most revolutionary topics of our time, cryptocurrency. What is it? How does it work? Why is it being called the future of money? And what's this buzz about blockchain and decentralization? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand cryptocurrency, but also the groundbreaking technology that powers it. So grab a seat and let's get started. Let's begin with a simple question. What is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual money. But it's not like the cash in your wallet or the money sitting in your bank account. It's something entirely different. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrency isn't controlled by any government, central bank, or financial institution. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. Instead, it operates on a revolutionary technology called blockchain, which we'll explore in detail shortly. Now, you might be wondering, why do we even need cryptocurrency? What's wrong with the money we already have? To answer that, let's take a closer look at the problems with traditional money. Think about it. Your money is controlled by banks and governments. They decide how much money to print, they control interest rates, and they can even freeze your accounts if they want to. In some countries, governments have devalued their currencies so much that people's life savings have become worthless overnight. With cryptocurrency, none of this is possible. It gives power back to the people. It's secure, transparent, and, most importantly, free from centralized control. But how does cryptocurrency actually work? Let's break it down. Imagine you want to send money to a friend in another country. With traditional banking, you'd have to go through a bank or a payment service like PayPal. They'd charge you fees, take time to process the transaction, and sometimes even limit how much you can send. With cryptocurrency, you can send money directly to your friend instantly and with minimal fees. No middlemen, no delays, no restrictions. This is possible because of the blockchain. So what exactly is blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger, a record book that keeps track of every transaction ever made with a particular cryptocurrency. But here's the twist. This ledger isn't stored in one place. It's distributed across thousands, even millions of computers around the world. Every time a transaction is made, it's verified by these computers and added to the blockchain. This makes it incredibly secure. To hack the system, someone would have to hack every single computer in the network simultaneously, a near impossible task. Let's pause for a moment and think about how revolutionary this is. In the traditional financial system, we rely on banks to keep track of our money. We trust them to process our transactions, store our savings, and ensure everything runs smoothly. But with blockchain, we don't need to trust a bank or any other middleman. The system itself is designed to be trustworthy. It's transparent, tamper-proof, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now let's talk about decentralization, one of the most important concepts to understand when it comes to cryptocurrency. In a centralized system like a bank, all the power and control are in the hands of a single entity. They make the rules, and we have to follow them. But in a decentralized system like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the power is spread out across the entire network. This means no single person or organization can manipulate the system. It's fair, transparent, and democratic. But why is decentralization so important? Let's look at some real-world examples. In some countries, governments have devalued their currencies, causing hyperinflation and wiping out people's savings. In others, banks have frozen accounts, leaving people unable to access their own money. Cryptocurrency and decentralization offer a solution to these problems. They give people control over their own money, no matter where they are in the world. Now, let's dive deeper into the benefits of cryptocurrency. First, there's security. Because of blockchain technology, every transaction is verified and recorded in a way that's nearly impossible to alter. This makes cryptocurrency one of the most secure forms of money ever created. Second, there's transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, and anyone can view it. This eliminates corruption and ensures accountability. Third, there's accessibility. With cryptocurrency, anyone with an internet connection can participate in the global economy. You don't need a bank account or a credit score. All you need is a smartphone or a computer. But cryptocurrency isn't just about money, it's about freedom. It's about creating a system where everyone has equal access to financial opportunities. It's about breaking down barriers and empowering people to take control of their own lives. And it's not just individuals who benefit. Businesses too can use cryptocurrency to reduce costs, streamline operations, and reach new markets. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is cryptocurrency risky? The short answer is yes. Like any new technology, cryptocurrency comes with its own set of challenges. Prices can be volatile, scams exist, and not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. But here's the thing. Every revolutionary technology has faced challenges in its early days. Think about the internet. When it first started, people were skeptical. They didn't understand it, and they didn't trust it. But look at where we are now. The internet has transformed every aspect of our lives, and cryptocurrency is on a similar path. So, how can you get started with cryptocurrency? First, do your research. Not all cryptocurrencies are the same. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are thousands of others, each with its own unique features and use cases. Second, choose a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrency. This is like a digital bank account, but remember, you're in control of your own money, so security is key. Third, start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose and learn as you go. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to imagine the future. What will the world look like in 10, 20, or 50 years? Will we still be using paper money and centralized banks? Or will cryptocurrency and blockchain technology become the new standard? The truth is, no one knows for sure. But one thing is certain, cryptocurrency is already changing the world. From decentralized finance to smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. And as more people and businesses adopt this technology, we're going to see a shift in the way the world operates. Cryptocurrency isn't just a trend or a buzzword, it's a revolution. It's changing the way we think about money, trust, and technology. And it's not just about making money, it's about creating a fairer, more transparent world. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing is clear. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are here to stay. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Invest Edge Academy for more insights into the future of finance and technology. My name is Daniel, and I'll see you in the next video.